Hey guys, welcome back to another Flutter tutorial. In this video I will show you how to convert image into PDF. So let's see the demo how it works and then we will see how to implement that. So this is a simple application. By pressing of this button we will be able to choose our image which we want to convert into PDF. It will show up in here, and then by pressing of this button it will convert and save our image into the PDF file. Now if we check our file, we can go to the storage. This is the location that I have specified to be saved. We can go to the data and find our package name, files, and here the PDF is saved by the any file name that you have given. So for this we will use this PDF package. It will work with your debug and release mode. I have also made an application using the same package and using Flutter, and it is available in the Play Store if you want to have a look on that and get some idea. I will link that in the description. Go ahead and check it out and let me know how is it. So without talking too much, let's get started with the tutorial and see how we can implement this one. Alright, so now let's get started with our code, and first you have to go to the pubspec YAML and import these three packages. As I told you before, we are going to use this PDF package to convert our images into the PDF and save it somewhere. So we will start from the importing part. We will import these packages of PDF. And now we are ready to declare some variables which we require in this application. It will be final picker for picking the image from. So inside my scaffold I will have an app bar, and on the app bar I will also put an icon button. So I will leave the on press for later on, and now I will come down here to declare a floating action button for choosing the image from the gallery. Here I will create this function the bottom for getting the image from gallery. Let's just define this one as a synchronous function, and here inside this I will pick file. So this is going to be our function to pick the image from gallery. And now one more thing, inside the body of our scaffold I will check if the image I also have to assign some height and width for this one. So now we are done with picking image from gallery and showing the image into our body of the scaffold. These are just simple terms. Now the actual thing is starting from here, which by pressing of this button I have to create two things. First I have to create PDF, and second one will be a save PDF. So these are the functions which I will declare at the bottom here. And inside this, first I have to convert this image into bytes and then add it into a PDF page. You can also copy from the documentation there, but I will do myself image. Now after reading our image into the byte, we will have it inside this image variable. So I will simply just pdf.add page, and inside this I will use the pw image, which is again from the package of PDF and widgets. It is simply PDF widget. Using that I have to create a page, and then here I will return simply pw.center, the center of the page, and child of it will be pw image, the image that we have just converted into the byte. So this is all of our work, how to convert the image to the PDF. Now here it comes how to save this. I will copy the function name from here that we have defined, and then down below just creating the function. So here since we may have some exceptions or some errors thrown, that's why we have to wrap our code with try and catch. Okay, I will create another flash bar for showing the errors. So here we need another package, which is path provider in Flutter. We also have to install this one. I will do it very quick. Now inside here I can say like final directory equals to git application documents directory. We can also do this in await. To save our file in this directory, we will go ahead and do file equals to file of here I will provide the directory and slash our file name.pdf, whatever you can also pass the file name into the parameter of this function and assign it in here, but here I will not do that. That's simple, you can do that by yourself. After that I can do file.write. You might wonder where I got this saving. It is simply mentioned in the documentation of this PDF package how you can save. As you can see here, it has given this one. You just copy this and paste it there. I will show you how to use and how to make it work and nothing else. So after that I have to create a flush bar to show the message. So this is going to be just a simple flash bar message which pops from the bottom of your page. After saving that, I will simply say here success, save to documents. And if we have some error, I will say error e dot we have to string. Okay, so it will simply just print the error that we have got. So now our program is ready. Let me just run the emulator and show you the result. Okay, here we go. We have the app running in here. Let's press the button. So this directory is not working for the this emulator. I don't know why, but it was working in another. So we can also give git application storage, git storage directory, external storage. And if we restart the application and go to our app, select the image again, select this one and press the button to convert our image into PDF. Now if we go and check the file, the folder of our application, here we have it. If I click the file, it is converted the image into PDF. So the concept is very simple. If you want to convert more images into a single PDF file, you just have to run a loop through this create PDF, and first you have to just select your images and add it into a list of files, and instead of just simply this file, you can create a list of files and then loop through those files and do the same process which we have done in here inside the loop. And then at the end you can just save the file into any directory that you want. So this is how we can convert our image into PDF. I have also made a simple application using the same image to PDF converter in Flutter using the same technique, and it is available in the Play Store. I will link that as well in the description. You can check that and get some idea how to convert your images into PDF. And I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down your problems. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.